favorite sandwiches ever. Philly cheesesteak for lunch. Stay tuned. Okay, the first step you're going to want to do is pour your olive oil in your nice pan. Whatever size you want for your pan. That's enough for Phillies. Now, we're going to bell pepper the onions. Onions make me cry. They actually do. You're not going to want to cut them in tiny pieces. So, we're going to want to like that. So it could hold on to each other. So little strips like that. Now, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Hey, pepper. Just a little bit. That's enough. And then you're going to want to mix it all together and cook it. Okay, next step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have your sandwich roll. Or people can use French bread or burger buns. But we're going to use this one today. So the first thing we're going to want to do is add your butter. And let's spread it around it. And also, if you're doing it for lunch, you're gonna want to do like a small one. If you're doing it for dinner, you want like a big one. Okay, now we're just so you're gonna want to have like a creamy cheese, like this one. This is, and you're gonna want. So next thing we want to do is slice of cheddar and slice of pepper jack. Like one on each side. This cheddar cheese. There we go. And then we're going to want to put in the oven to get toasty and melty. Okay, now you're going to put your meat in. So you can Philly cheesesteak. Oh, don't touch it. Wow. So when your bread is cooking and your meat is toast, it's getting all warm. We're gonna want to get some sweet cherry peppers. That's funny, and you're gonna want to cut them up. They're gonna go in your sandwich. Okay, now that everything's done, we're going to now put our sandwich together. What else? Let's do one like that. Hey, okay, now we're gonna put our little pepper on it. We're gonna go ahead and flip it.